Okay.
Okay, now if you talk about materials management, in the first phase, we need org units like company, company code, um, plant, sales org, sales area, division, purchase org, um, sales group, sales office, and location, storage location, or yep, these are the first ones. After that, we'll start off with material types, material groups, and then we'll start off um, with fields selection. And material types are raw material, ROH, HAL, which is semi-finished goods, and FERT, which is uh, finished goods. Then we have material groups. Material groups are basically what in, for example, if you are into, um, let's say ball bearings. Oh no, let's say into uh, 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 fibers. Okay, then we have 60 mm fiber sheets, and we have 40 mm fiber sheets, and these are iron fiber sheets. Okay, made from iron, and there can be forms for it. Forms, there can be raw material state for it, and then semi-finished good, and then finished good. Same goes for this. So either you're procuring it or you're producing it. That depends on your business solution and process. So we'll start with organizational unit, definition, financial accounting, company. Okay, we'll add a mother company. Now this will be a mother company and it will be called, let's say, CLAF, CLAFCO. USD. Oh no, CAD, Canadian dollars. Okay. And CLAFCO, MM, EWM. Okay. Okay, mother company is made. Now we'll make a company code. Now, company code will have different currency. Edit company code data, new entries, KL01, KL, this is Glasgow, Dubai, Dubai country AE, AED, English. So this is an operational company which basically has its own financial statements, and to it, to a company code report all the plant storage locations, sales org divisions, everything is actually controlled by a company code, not the mother company. Mother company is just there for reporting purposes. It just takes the reports from different company codes. Okay. Now, now we've made a company and a company code. What we'll do, we have done it in definition. Now we'll assign it. We'll assign a company code to a company because a company code has to report to a mother company. AL01. and it says CLAF. It says a different currency, but doesn't matter. We will just save it and go back to definition. Company and company code are done. Now we'll go for plant. The plant is basically where your goods, stocks, material basically is produced or procured or stored or all of it. KL01, Clafco plant, Clafco plant KL01, save AE. Okay, KL01 is done. Now we'll go for location. New entries, KL01, Sharjah. Clafco plant KL01, Shard. Okay, save. Okay, division. Now division can be of business units or business interests division. For example, we have accessories, machine spares, passenger vehicles, and SUVs are again divisions. Okay, so we'll not actually go into that. We can check any. Let's say if we have anything like machines and accessories. Okay, clap, clap. Okay, save, save. Okay, next is material management, storage location. Plant is KL01 and storage location will be Sharjah. We can also have alphanumeric code for this, but clap Sharjah. Okay, save and save. Purchase organization, yes, this is important. New entries, KL01, clap KL01 purchase org. Save and save. Sales and distribution, this is also important because, of course, your material is also related with this. Sales org, new entries, KL01. AED, purchase organization is KL01, KL01. Purchasing group is not yet made. Storage location is Sharjah. We don't have a vendor right now, and we can save it. AE. Okay. That's done. Distribution channel. Now, distribution channels can be as simple as 0506. Okay. Glass machinery. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is done. Sales office. New entries. KL01, I'll just keep it simple. KL01 AE. Now it's asking for geographical location, but we'll just keep it simple with one code. Maintain sales group. New entries. Sales group, again, it's basically aligned with division and distribution channels, right? CLAF machinery and CLAF accessories. Save. This is done. Definition is done. Assignment, assign company code to company. This is already done. Logistics and general, assign plant to company code. Company code is KL01, KL01 plant. Okay. Deal. Deal. Okay. This is done. Sales and distribution. Send sales all to company code. Okay. Company code is KL01. Save. Assign distribution channel to sales org, new entries, C1, and if I am not wrong, 05, KL0106. Class machinery, class accessories. Okay. Okay. Division to sales org. New entries, KL0105, KL0106. Distribution and division all aligned. Okay. Sales area. Now, what is a sales area? It is a combination of sales org, distribution channels, division. Okay. KL0105, 05, KL0106, 06. Okay. Okay. Sales area is your distribution and division. Okay. All aligned. And you already have a sales office, which is KL01. KL01, distribution channel 05, division is 05, sales office is KL01. Okay, KL01, 0606, KL01. Save. Okay. Okay, so your sales office now is part of your sales area. Okay. Sales group to sales office. New entries. Sales office is KL01, sales group. Sales group is two sales groups we have. Everything is getting aligned, right? Sales org and distribution channel and plant. Okay, new entries KL01, distribution channel 05, plant is KL01, KL0106, KL01. Why do we do this? Because this plant will be supplying accessories and machinery from this. It will go from this plant. Save. Okay, this is done. Material management, purchase or to company code. Here 01 or purchase or can be according to your material type as well, but they've just kept it universal with aligned with company codes. Purchase or to plant, KL01, KL01. Save and save.